What's up, guys? I'm Court, and I'm back with a
The coupe is retarded. Look at my carpet. Don't gotta start it. I'm back on that bullshit. She bougie, bossy.
So, in today's video, I'm going to be doing a Wendy's mukbang and also spilling some tea. Yeah, let's get into it. So, I have this chicken patty because my mom got it for me. The tender nuggets, not tenders, and some fries. Shall we feast? So, what do we want to talk about? We're gonna first talk about how long I've been gone after I said that I was gonna be consistent. But who are we to judge? Judge yourself. There's a lot going on. Like, a lot. Like, I don't know. I just haven't been feeling YouTube. So, yeah. I gotta be on my stuff because, baby, these subscribers are looking horrifying. They're scary. So, thinking about doing a vlog for one of these days. But like, I be feeling like my vlogs are boring. So, next subject. These kids at my school is crazy. When I tell y'all these kids have no chill, they have no chill. Like, none at all. So, baby, let me tell you, this girl, I'm not gonna get into much detail, but just know some things happened which shouldn't have happened in school with having. No, you should not be doing anything like that in school. And in her had a whole beef. I felt bad. I feel bad now. She's not my friend anymore, but I felt bad, and she is dirty. Anywho, so now this girl, you know what that means? 10th graders coming to your school, new 10th graders. Yachty, cool. I don't care. They're all. Anyways, so this girl is a slow boy. I don't know. He's not like autistic slow. He like, you know, we all have our slow moments. He like that all the time. So we was playing soccer. He fell in gym, and baby, he got back up. Dookie. Dookie in his drawers. He was like, you know, you got dookie in your drawers, you know. He was like, no, I don't. It's dirt.
Why do you have dirt in your drawers? And you know that it's there. Take them off. Switch them. Clean them.
Girl that did all that stuff, 10th grade, goes out or whatever. Slow kid. I don't care. He was going around telling people, well, the 11th grade boys, his friends, his boys, but nobody really liked him. And which is so stupid that he's sitting there telling this girl business to people that's not even your friends. Like, don't do that. That's where everything cuts off. So he asked the girl if she had an STD. Like,
Huh? I'm confused.
but don't sit there and tell everybody. That's where it all stops. Like, too far. You don't have to tell this girl business to everybody. Like, at all. You're lucky anybody even likes you in this gym. And I'm just like, I laughed at first, but now I'm just like, alright, cause he didn't have to put that girl on blast like that. She did not do anything wrong. Just, yeah, don't. Moral story. Don't put nobody on blast because of their past. Don't put nobody on blast because
on bad terms, y'all talk about something that's so stupid or bad or disgusting. Don't sit there and tell people that's not even your friends, that you think is your friends, nothing. Because you're not gonna get nothing out of it. But you're gonna look stupid, and you're gonna make her look stupid. And then what's gonna happen? Y'all gonna break up.